Assalamu alaikum kids. Today we are going to learn shortened English words. Kid, kidding, kid, kidding. Hit, hitting, hit, hitting. Info, information, information. Thick, thicker, thick, thicker. Lab, laboratory, lab, laboratory. App, application, app, application. Mid, middle. Sit, sitting, sit, sitting. Max, maximum. Min, minimum. Bro, brother, bro, brother. Intro, introduction, intro, introduction. Pro, professional. Pick, pick up, pick, pick up. Sib, sibling, sib, sibling. Fab, fabulous, fab, fabulous. Fat, father, sis, sister. Max, maximum. Min, minimum. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to my channel and like the video for more episodes.